Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into ABN AMRO Credit Card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Go and open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.abnamro.com and press enter on your keyboard. From their website, go and click on the login link at the top right hand corner. Select your account type from the top and you can open the ABN AMRO application on your mobile device and tap the QR scanner at the top left-hand corner and scan this QR code in order to log into your account. If you'd like to log in with your credential, click on this login link at the bottom. On the next page, enter your account number and your card number. Now, enter the e-identifier's response in the response text box and finally click on the login button in order to access your ABN AMRO Credit Card. ABN AMRO Credit Card is a type of a card offered by ABN AMRO Bank. After accessing your account online, you can easily pay your bills, manage your account online right away, whenever and wherever you are. That is how you can easily log into your ABN AMRO Credit Card. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.